Hello YouTube, what's up? I'm super excited to record this video. I've already discovered free method how to get free coins in Dreame application. As you can see, Dreame++ application is already installed in my devices, and to get free coins, all you to do, you must enter amount of coins as you want to generate for our account, and that's it. The next step is press generate, and now we must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, every coins will be generated for our Dreame account. So it's already open our account. Wait maybe 1 minute, and boom, look of this. Now my account get free coins. So this application, Dreame++ application, is already working in 2023 for Android or iOS devices, and this tutorial I want to share with you how to install Dreame++ application for mobile devices for Android or iOS device. Okay, to get Dreame++ application, all you to do, we must open our favorite browser and follow me. Okay, scroll down, type this Dreame++, press install. Now we must wait to finish this process. After complete of this process, Dreame++ will be installed in our mobile devices. Okay, this is last step, and now Dreame++ application is already installed. Enjoy and thank you for watching.